Hello. So a couple of people have been asking how to connect Tetras and Octas together, and I figured I could make a quick tutorial video just to show you how they fit together and how they hold together so you can build much larger and robust forms. So I just grabbed, I have in the office some Octas lying around, and here's a Tetra. And so you've probably gotten this far to figure out how they interlock together. So the faces meet, and then they sort of wiggle and twist, and they push together like this. So that's pretty good, but if there's a lot of force applied, you want them to really hang on, and they're not always gonna do that right off the bat. So let me grab that piece. So you might have noticed on the design, I don't really call it out that much, but there are these little tabs. You can just see them right there. And if you pull those out a little bit so that they stick out like so, if you do that on both sides, what's going to happen is when I put these two together, so let's see. So when I put these two together, those two tabs are going to go past each other. And then you can see here as I pull away, they sort of link on to each other and they grab. And so we want that to happen on all the sides, and we can kind of just wiggle them like that. And then once that's happening on all the sides, so they don't come past each other like this, then we get a really strong hold. So that's my pro tip. I guess if you're still having trouble pulling those tabs out, sometimes it's helpful to take like a little paper clip. And yeah, I found that when making the penguin or the fox, they can actually be really quite sturdy. So much so that if you drop them, they don't just explode into a bunch of pieces. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any tips. And yeah, more to come.